Welcome back to my channel, and so today I have a slime here. As you know, there's a two-faced, like half here and half here. Yep. And so today I have this barrel O slime. And yeah. So let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Maybe we shouldn't. Yes, it's good. Okay, trying to. Okay, so today I'm gonna open this. Yeah. Yep. So and let's open this up. And I can't open this. Actually, I've been like finding like slime. I tried making slime, but I can't make it. So I decided to buy it. And this is the slime, if you guys can see. Yeah, and it's yellow. Yep. And look, it's all droopy. Ew, guys. If you guys know that, like, I'm only half. Okay, so this is the where are you going, slime? Okay, so this is the slime, and yep, it's like transparent, but it's not that transparent. Look, you can just tear it in half. Ooh, you can see there. Okay, oh no. So yeah. And yep, I really love the slime, and it's called like a little bit red, but